In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a box in Canva. Start by opening your Canva design. This can be any existing project you have already started, such as a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer. When the design opens, you should see your canvas in the middle, with a toolbar on the left and options along the top. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct design so you do not edit the wrong project. If you see your previous text or images on the canvas, you are in the right place and ready to add a box. Once your design is open, look at the left side panel and click Elements. When you click it, the panel will change to show different categories like lines and shapes, graphics and photos. Elements is where Canva keeps building blocks you can reuse across many designs. After clicking, make sure the Elements word is highlighted so you know that menu is active. If you click somewhere else by accident, just click Elements again to bring it back. From there, click Shapes. You will find shapes near the top of the Elements panel. After you click it, the panel will focus on simple geometric options. You should now see various shapes such as squares, circles, and triangles. Shapes are perfect for creating boxes behind text or for highlighting areas in your layout. If you do not see many options, scroll a little in that same panel until more shapes appear. Next up, choose the square or rectangle. These are the best shapes when people say they want a box in Canva. The square gives you an even box, while the rectangle lets you create a longer banner-style box. Click once on the square or rectangle in the shapes list. When you hover your mouse over them, you might see a thin outline that shows which shape you are about to pick. Selecting the right base shape helps your layout feel balanced later. After you have chosen, click the shape to add it to your design. A copy of that shape will appear directly on your canvas, usually in the center. You will see blue handles around the edges, which means the shape is currently selected. If you accidentally add more than one, you can click on any extra shape and press Delete on your keyboard to remove it. As soon as it appears, the shape is ready to be moved, resized, and styled. At this point, drag the corners to resize it. Move your cursor to one of the small circles at the corners of the shape until it changes to a diagonal arrow. Click and drag inward to make the box smaller, or outward to make it larger. Corner handles keep the proportions even, while side handles stretch only one direction. Beginners often pull only one side without noticing, which can make the box look squashed, so check that the shape still looks how you expect after resizing. With the size set, use the color button at the top to change its color. Look for the colored square in the top toolbar while the shape is selected. Click it and a panel of color options appears, including theme colors and a color picker. When you choose a new color, the box updates immediately on your canvas, so you can quickly test different looks until the box matches your design. You just added a custom-sized, custom-colored box to your Canva design, perfect for text or emphasis, so if that helped, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Canva tips.